in the first place, I wasn't even going to post this video. I feel like it's not necessary to share this, but on a second thought, I was like, this can help someone, so why not? Let me just share it. All right. So one of the things that I actually cherish so much in life is to impact people positively, share valuable stuff with people to help them become the best version of themselves and get better in whatever field they may find themselves in life. That has been a priority since 2019. To some extent, I would say I have been able to achieve a percentage of that, but that isn't enough. I still have more to do, and I must do it regardless of the fact that I really want to do this. I am a human being and I have my personal problems, which I hardly talk about. I've been down multiple times and almost got depressed at a point. It's no joke. Yeah, I've been unsuccessful at so many things and I've been tempted on several occasions. When I say tempted, like to the point of me doing something which I'm not supposed to do. Yes, I've had so many temptations to do so many things that legally I shouldn't do, right? But thank God, at the end of the day, overcome those kind of situations. There's a saying that what doesn't kill you will make you stronger, and I kind of believe in that. I've made mistakes in life and I've seen others made mistakes, so I pick my lessons. In life, there's something called sacrifice, and we also have delayed gratification. There are certain things, or there are certain heights in life you can't actually reach there unless you make a sacrifice. That has to say, success is not achieved on a silver platter, and delayed gratification isn't just a saying. It is something that we have to be conscious of. Like, delayed gratification is something that we actually have to be conscious about. For a better tomorrow, we need to let go of some quote-unquote enjoyment of today. You might have a brighter future ahead of you, but a little enjoyment of today can ruin that future forever. When I say forever, I mean forever. At this point, I think you should reevaluate yourself and reassess your goals for life and see if you are on the right track, on the right path to your goals. Above everything, never forget to pray. Even a minute of prayer, just pray. I know some of you might actually be wondering, why don't I kind of upload videos regularly again? Yeah, a lot has been happening, and that's why. I actually lost my device which I used to record my videos and do a whole lot of stuff as far as this YouTubing stuff is concerned. I mean, it's actually slowed me down, coupled with other stuff, and me working now currently as a nurse doing my rotation. Like, the time factor has become a problem for me, coupled with the incident of my phone getting stolen. I'm just trying to see what I can do best to start giving you the valuable content that I have been doing